Welcome to Fintokei. In today's video, we'll be discussing how trading on Fintokei accounts works, the benefits of our virtual trading environment, and some essential guidelines to help you succeed. Whether you're new to prop trading or looking to refine your skills, this video will provide valuable insights into our platform. All capital on Fintokei accounts is purely virtual. This means that, much like on a demo account, you're never trading with real money, giving you a great opportunity to learn. So when trading on our account, your own capital is never at risk. However, the conditions on our server mimic real trading environments. You'll experience slippage, latency, and other aspects of real trading. Our mission? Spot real talent and push it further. We handpick the top traders and plan to take their skills to the real markets. Their strategies will create a real value there, and that's how everyone wins. Traders grow, and we grow with them. We actively select the top performers and plan to monetize their trading data in the real market environment, generating revenue in the process. These conditions might tempt traders to take on more risk, thinking they have an entire account to spare. But remember, you can only afford to lose up to the allowed loss limit. If you exceed this, it will be considered a severe breach of our rules, and we'll have to close your account. To help you avoid risky trading practices, we've implemented a set of anti-gambling rules. We'll discuss these in more detail in a separate video. So remember, when trading with Fintokei, feel free to open bigger positions, but always keep the risk-reward ratio in mind. Don't risk more than 1% of your account capital per trade, and keep your overall risk on open trades below 3% at any time. Sensible risk management will take you far with Fintokei. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has provided you with a better understanding of how to trade successfully on Fintokei. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive deeper into our anti-gambling rules and other essential tips for effective trading. Happy trading, and see you next time.